The UN Global Compact Network Nigeria has inaugurated a 2-year UN Global Compact Africa Strategy and African Regional Hub to mobilize businesses to the continent. The program is designed to support companies in post-COVID-19 era to align their operations for a sustainable and inclusive future through a 2-year strategic plan from 2021 to 2023. Mr. Matthias Shimale, UN Resident Coordinator for Nigeria at the inauguration in Abuja, urged the federal government to do more to sustain Nigeria's leading position in Africa continental trade.
Is there a strong enough legal framework, and is it adhered to, and what sanctions exist if it isn't? That's one. I think a second big part where Nigeria could show an example and currently isn't sufficiently is domestic resource mobilization. We talked a lot about local partnerships in the previous event, finding local solutions to problems. And so I think the focus cannot be on what can Nigeria teach others if it doesn't practice it itself. And there really is much more to be done around domestic resource mobilization. An aspect of that is tax regimes. You know, there needs to be an honest conversation on who pays taxes on the one hand, and are people, including businesses, fulfilling their tax obligations, and then linked to that, what's the expenditure side that brings in government? Is the revenue that is generated also from the economy for public service invested into the right sectors? And an example of what I mean by that is education and health. If you want a thriving economy, you need to invest properly into an education system and into health. You cannot generate profits if you don't have healthy and educated workforce.
Also, Princess Adejoke Orelope-Adefulire, Senior Special Assistant to the President on Sustainable Development Goals, reiterated the government's commitment towards encouraging businesses to thrive in Nigeria and Africa at large.
It's very, very apt and very welcome development to strengthen our collaboration and national development, both at in Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large. We have recognized also the importance of partnership in all of this, and the role that each stakeholders must play to effectively deliver the UN Global Compact strategy for Africa. As government, we must create a conducive environment and establish a necessary institutional framework and structure for partnership that will help us deliver on the SDGs.
In his remarks, Ambassador of China to Nigeria canvassed support from the UN for Nigeria to achieve set goals.
We achieved this goal. The first is about the people, second about the political sectors. The most important thing is about the business sectors. I believe that without the business sector, company sectors, we cannot achieve this goal, because company is not only a group of people. It's not only the provider of food, clothes, the daily needs of the people, also products or the services. The most important thing is creating the way of the people, the way of life. So I think that really company is really very important. And also I want to share my feeling that in Nigeria, when I talk to the politicians, business leaders, I found everybody is very good at the business. So this is the reason a lot of Nigerian has a very good contact with Chinese business people in Guangzhou, near Hong Kong. So I commend that UN select Nigeria as a regional hub. I do believe Nigeria could generate good business practice, not only for Nigeria, but also for the whole African continent.